The Bo Xilai trial ended today after 5 long days, but we still don't know when the verdict will come out. If you haven't watched any of our previous videos on Bo Xilai, he was a rising star in China's political scene, but his career unraveled when he was revealed to be involved in his wife Bo Xilai's murder of British businessman Neil Heywood. Gu apparently poisoned Heywood after the two had a dispute over a business deal. Before his fall, Bo served as the party secretary of Chongqing City. He worked closely with Wang Lijun, the police chief of Chongqing. Wang apparently looked into the Heywood case and told Bo that his wife may be the murderer. By doing so, Wang fell out of Bo's favor. And finally, Bo Xilai got into trouble when Wang escaped the U.S. consulate and spilled details regarding to Heywood's murder while trying to seek refuge from Bo. And from there, other details from Bo's murky past started to come out, including corruption and bribery. Now, people assumed that the trial would be short and serve as a public announcement, but in reality, Bo turned out to be much more cunning than that. During the very dramatic trial, Bo flatly denied bribery charges, saying that he was framed and tricked into taking money. He called one of the businessmen who gave him money a mad dog. He also called his own wife crazy when she provided evidence against him, saying that he may be guilty of the bribery. He also called Wang Lijun's recount of Neil Heywood's murder case unreliable and full of lies. Of course, what these are what the court has published for the public to see, and there are definitely details of the trial that we don't know about. For example, Bo Xilai was also reportedly involved in live organ harvesting of prisoners of conscience, specifically Falun Gong practitioners. While he was the mayor of Dalian and then the governor of Liaoning, organ harvesting of Falun Gong practitioners took place at those regions at significant scale. Other underground connections he had include providing bodies to plastination companies that made models for scientific exhibits. Though we still don't know what the outcome of the trial would be, Bo is likely to face a heavy sentence because during the trial, he denied all the charges made against him, even some that he admitted to before the trial. The state's prosecutors say that Bo's denial stands in the face of cold, hard evidence. In addition, the Chinese regime may want him to get a heavy sentence to show that they're really cracking down on corrupt officials. Still, it's unlikely that Bo will face death. Now, why is that? As we previously mentioned on the run list, Xi Jinping, the Chinese Communist Party leader, and Bo Xilai both grew up as princelings, or the sons of powerful party officials. The party is somewhat dominated by these princelings, and Xi will not want to risk isolating himself from these other princelings by killing one of their own. Even though the trial is over, we have yet to see what's going to happen to Bo Xilai, and we here at the run list will keep you updated on this issue.